Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your Sparkcase card to Apple Pay. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to get started. Choose Add a Card and tap Continue. Hold your iPhone near your Sparkcase card to scan it automatically. If scanning doesn't work, tap Enter Card Details manually and type in your name, card number, expiration date, and security code. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your card with Sparkcase. You might get a text or push notification. Once verification is complete, your Sparkcase card will be added to Apple Pay and ready to use. And that's it. That's how to add your Sparkcase card to Apple Pay. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.